Hi guys, Bong Alcaide here. Welcome to my page. Sa video na to, let's try to check and review the JPG Ultramail by John Paul Gaultier. No? So, this one is a successor of Limal, yung OG, yung ginawa noong 1995. Ang perfumer nito is Mr. Cordijan, Francis Cordijan. Kasi ang gusto ni Mr. Gauthier na yung magiging successor ng Limal is maging modern. But yet, uh, dapat nandun pa rin yung woody and aromatic notes, dapat nandun pa rin yung heart ni Limal. So, yon ginawa ni Mr. Cordijan, according to him, na gagawin niya pa rin na may DNA ni Limal. So, ayun, nag-check ako online. I'll check their ingredients on an expert review, no, hindi ako on expert review, of course, to Google. Ito, this one is a sweeter side, so if you let's try to spray it. Let's try natin. Ito, ang dami kong ano, so bear with me, this is a short review lang. Limel, this one is a 2020 bottle ko pa. So, ayan. Alright, right off the bat, we sense the vanilla, lavender, and a fruity, lemon, and pink pepper. Okay, ito. Yes, true enough, may DNA naman siya ni Limal. So, ito, in comparison kasi etong si Limal, yung OG, yung pinaggayahan, yung kasunod niya, yung OG talaga, which means yung nauna dito. Kasi this one is nagpagawa si Mr. Gaultier kay Cordian ng mas modern, and Mr. Cordian nag-create ng modern, and kaya nandun yung mga gourmand. So I consider this for me as a gourmand kasi it's sweet and it has a vanilla rin. And it goes well, alam naman natin ng vanilla, it goes well with lavender, no? So no doubt about that. So I've seen many perfume na laging merong yung vanilla at may mga lavender notes. Yes, so in comparison, this one has a fruity notes. It has a fruity notes, no, compared sa OG na Limal is na more on woody, no, and amber. Kasi merong both sa yung isa sa mint, may pagka herby kasi yung Limal, while this one has a cinnamon and patchouli. Yung patchouli, it has a woody and aromatic. Meron siyang characteristic na earthy. So this one has it, yung OG wala. As well, again, yung parehas naman silang merong vanilla and lavender, but then again, this one has a fruity note kasi meron siyang pear. Meron siyang peras, no? So, yon, it has also a tonka bean, na para both naman sila may tonka bean, and this one has a lemon. Konti lang siguro. So, yeah, that's it. If you get this one, projection nito is okay, very above average. At the same time, compliment getter din, kasi one time na compliment na rin ako with this one. So, to me, perfume kasi is subjective, no? See, it might goes well with you or not. So, but then again, it's a matter of exploring it. Explore mo lang kung ano yung bagay for you. But to me, this one, it's an oriental aromatic on the gourmand side. Yeah, that's so that's it for me. So, but then again, disclaimer, yung ni-review ko and kinompare natin, it's just my thoughts, it's just my my inputs. So hopefully it's a for me it's a good blind buy, but I strongly suggest that you go test it first, get a sample and test it first before you buy a full bottle. To me, this one is a bottle worthy. So, that's it on sa video na to. So, see you on the next. Thank you.